Hey everyone, the Infinix XPad Edge positions itself as an ambitious step forward for the brand's tablet lineup, aiming to balance premium design, entertainment credentials, and everyday productivity at a price point that undercuts many established rivals. From a design perspective, the XPad Edge makes a strong first impression. Its 6.19mm unibody metal chassis is impressively slim for a tablet of this size, and at 588 grams, it remains relatively easy to handle despite the expansive screen. The overall look leans toward a clean, professional aesthetic rather than a playful consumer design, which aligns well with Infinix's messaging around productivity and media consumption. The centerpiece of the device is its 13.2-inch display, which immediately sets it apart from more compact tablets. With a resolution of 2,400 by 1,600 pixels, the screen delivers ample sharpness for streaming, web browsing, document work, and light creative tasks. The average brightness of 450 nits should be sufficient for indoor use in moderately bright environments. Audio is another area where Infinix is clearly trying to differentiate the XPad Edge. The quad speaker system is marketed as delivering noticeably stronger and fuller sound than typical tablet speakers, which suggests a focus on stereo separation and volume output. On the software side, the XPad Edge appears to be built with multitasking in mind. Features such as split screen, parallel windows, phone casting, and a PC-style secondary display mode indicate that Infinix wants the tablet to function as a productivity tool rather than just a media slate. Infinix is also leaning heavily into AI-driven features, which are becoming increasingly common across devices at all price levels. The Flagship voice assistant anchors the experience, while tools like high translation, artificial intelligence smart screen recognition, and artificial intelligence creation aim to streamline everyday tasks and content interaction. Connectivity options include both Wi-Fi and 4G support, giving the tablet greater flexibility for users who want to stay connected on the move without relying solely on hotspots. This makes the XPad Edge more appealing for students, remote workers, and frequent travelers who value constant access to online services. Although not yet officially confirmed by Infinix, the brief Shopee Malaysia listing offers a clearer picture of the internal hardware. The Snapdragon 685 processor suggests that the tablet is designed for smooth everyday performance rather than heavy gaming or demanding creative workloads. Paired with 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of internal storage, expandable up to 2 terabytes, the configuration should be more than adequate for multitasking, media storage, and long-term use. Camera hardware appears functional rather than standout, with 8-megapixel sensors on both the front and rear. Battery life, however, looks promising on paper, with an 8,000 mAh cell that should comfortably last through a full day of mixed usage. The 18-watt wired charging is modest by current standards, but acceptable given the tablet's size and expected price bracket. While official pricing will be announced at launch, the Shopee listing price of roughly $325 paints the XPad Edge as a strong value proposition. Overall, the Infinix XPad Edge appears to be a thoughtfully positioned tablet that prioritizes screen size, design quality, and practical productivity tools over raw performance. It may not target power users or hardcore gamers, but for users seeking a large, versatile tablet for entertainment, study, and light work, it has the potential to be one of the more compelling options in its segment once it officially launches. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Have a nice day, and God bless you.